Imagine discovering life on another planet, only to realize it was never meant to be found, because the moment it wakes up, it starts killing everyone. A group of astronauts aboard a space station orbiting Earth are preparing for one of the most important scientific breakthroughs in human history. A probe returning from Mars carries a soil sample that might contain proof of alien life. As the capsule docks with the station, the entire world watches in excitement. When the scientists finally open it, they discover something incredible: a tiny dormant organism. At first, it appears lifeless, but after careful stimulation, the organism begins to move. It reacts to touch, learns quickly, and shows signs of intelligence. The crew names it Calvin, and soon it becomes the most important discovery in human history. News spreads across Earth, and everyone celebrates the first contact with alien life. But what the crew doesn't realize is that Calvin is far more dangerous than they ever imagined. During an experiment, a mistake causes Calvin to become inactive again. Thinking it has died, one of the scientists tries to revive it using electricity. Suddenly, Calvin reacts violently. It grabs his hand, crushes it, and refuses to let go. Panic spreads as the crew tries to pull him away, but Calvin's strength is unbelievable for such a small organism. Eventually, they manage to stop it. But this is only the beginning. Calvin escapes containment and begins moving freely through the station. The crew realizes they are no longer studying the creature, they are being hunted by it. When one of the astronauts attempts to capture Calvin, the creature attacks again, wrapping itself around him and cutting off his oxygen. The crew watches helplessly as he dies. Now the situation becomes clear. Calvin is not just alive, it is a perfect predator. It doesn't need air, it doesn't fear the vacuum of space, and it can survive extreme conditions that would kill any human instantly. In one desperate attempt, they try to lure it into space, hoping the vacuum will kill it. But Calvin survives, clinging to the station and continuing its attack. The crew is running out of options, and time is slipping away. Finally, the last remaining astronauts come up with a final plan. They will use escape pods to lure Calvin away from Earth and send it drifting into deep space forever. It's risky, but it's their only chance. As the plan begins, chaos unfolds. The creature attacks again, and everything starts going wrong. In the confusion, the escape pods launch, but something is terribly wrong. Instead of heading into deep space, one of the pods is now heading straight toward Earth, and Calvin is inside. Meanwhile, the surviving astronaut who tried to escape safely is instead drifting helplessly away into space, unable to return or warn anyone. The final moment reveals the horrifying truth. The pod carrying Calvin lands on Earth, and fishermen approach it, unaware of what's inside. As they open the capsule, the screen cuts to black. This means the creature has finally reached Earth, and humanity has no idea what is coming next. That's the full story. If you want more movie recaps like this, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next recap.